Bosque, I know him is one of the smarter trainer coach I've seen in my life. So he knows everything on football, and he knows right now his squad. Okay, has the performance of his players, and he knows the opponent, the skills of the opponent, the weakness point, the strength point, and he decide both see can play with striker, without the striker. It doesn't matter. It's not so important because the Spanish are in good hands, you know. And
so either way is good.
Yeah.
Ini harus dijelasin dulu buat pemirsa tadi.
Ya.
Pertanyaan tentang apakah Spanyol lebih bagus dengan striker atau tidak striker.
Jawabannya sama-sama
Guardiola
bagus
bilang
ya.
bahwa dua-duanya juga bisa bagus karena Spanyol ada di tangan pelatih yang luar biasa cerdas.
Vicente Del Bosque ya.
Ya, Vicente Del Bosque. Del Bosque sendiri bagi Pep adalah pelatih yang sangat tahu tentang sepak bola, tahu strong point dari lawan, weak point dari lawan. Jadi mau pakai striker atau tidak striker, Spanyol tetap tim yang bagus.
We're going to ask you questions about your players in Barca, your former players in Barca. In one sentence, can you describe about Fabregas, Gerard Piqué, Iniesta, Xavi?
I had to discover.
Describe about the special
Yes.
aspect from Gerard Piqué.
In one
Gerard
sentence.
Piqué, okay.
In one sentence.
Yeah, can you do that?
It's so difficult.
We start from
Piqué is
Gerard
very
Piqué.
good for the building up. Okay. Iniesta is amazing in the relationship, in the spice and time, you know. Xavi, he knows the pitch on his brain, he knows everything, he sees everything. Cesc can play in many positions, he's very good arriving in the second position to the area. And what else?
Gerard Piqué,
Yes,
Xavi,
already.
Iniesta, Fabregas.
Fabregas.
Says Fabregas.
Fabregas, I said. Fabregas, I said, arrived perfect in the second position.
And Pedro.
Pedro is very good and with a touch and move and arrive to the area, disappear the area, arrive to the area, disappear. When you don't know where is Pedro, arrive in the right moment and right time and score. It's very good to shoot with both legs too fast, and all of them, they are excellent persons.
Okay, we're going to give a chance for the audience to give to pose the questions for you. We're going to give a chance for two questions from the audience. Kita akan memberikan, pemirsa, kita akan memberikan kesempatan bagi dua orang penonton yang akan memberikan pertanyaan langsung kepada Pep Guardiola. Silakan.
Halo Pep, saya dari Indonesia, saya Nancy. Saya mau nanya satu pertanyaan aja untuk Pep. Sejak kecil, Pep pernah membayangkan nggak kalau dia jadi seorang legend?
Okay, I'm going to translate it for you. She just asked whether you have imagined to become a legend in football since you were little. Did you ever imagine that since you were little?
Oh. I try to make my job as best as possible. No, one is not in his life to pass to the history or to become a legend. So it's day by day to try the best as possible, and sometimes it's good, sometimes it's worse. And, that's all. I'm not a better coach than another ones. I'm not. I feel that it's in the beginning. So
But you achieved 14.
I'm not more prepared than the other ones, and I try to work a lot for my conscience. I try to do the best, and I was lucky to train Barcelona and these marvelous players, and that's all.
Okay. Jadi tadi baru saja Pep Guardiola menyatakan bahwa tidak pernah dibayangkan sejak kecil. Yang dia lakukan hanyalah berlatih setiap harinya supaya menjadi lebih baik ya Bung Toel ya.
Bahkan menjadi pelatih pun yang dia lakukan tidak merasa lebih bagus dari pelatih yang lain. Dia hanya melakukan yang terbaik dari pekerjaannya sebagai pelatih.
Memang selalu rendah hati, itu karakteristik yang seperti yang kita dapatkan dari Pep Guardiola hari ini. And we're going to have another audience to pose a question. Silakan.
My name is Jovin from Fans Club Barcelona Indonesia. First, we would like to say gracias to you, Pep. And the question is, how do you think about Jordi Alba signing for the next season? Once again, gracias Pep, Visca Barca, Visca FCBI.
Boleh diulang pertanyaannya? Pertanyaan
The
intinya.
question is, how do you think about the new sign of Barca, Jordi Alba? How do you think of Jordi Alba signing for the next season?
He's a very good player. You have seen in Euro how good are he playing. So he's a very good player.
Iya, barusan Pep menyatakan bahwa Alba adalah pemain yang sangat bagus. Kita sudah melihat performanya di Euro sangat bagus. Ya, intinya itu. Alba sangat bagus.
Okay. Gracias Pep, you are a legend. Gracias Pep, Visca Barca.
Okay, and Pep, before we close this dialogue, we're going to give you some souvenir from your fans. This is Indonesian batik, but it's for Barca. Batik is an Indonesian clothes, national clothes, yeah, and it already has
Thank you.
national heritage. Yeah,
Fans Club Indonesia.
yeah, fans club Barcelona Indonesia.
Thank you so much.
Dia mengucapkan terima kasih kepada FCBC dan seluruh fans Barca. Muchas gracias.
Gracias Pep.
Pep Guardiola, thank you very much for this opportunity. It is a great honor to have you here with us in RCTI. Now I know what a very humble person you are. Thank you so much, and we hope that all the Indonesian viewers can have something learned from you, and in the future Indonesian football can also be better and better. Thank you so
Sure,
much, Pep
definitely.
Guardiola.
Thank you so much for
Pep,
inviting me.
muchas gracias. Thank you so much for the
Muchas
moment, for the good
gracias.
moment.
Bung Divaldo, terima kasih banyak atas kehadirannya berbagi bersama kami dengan Pep Guardiola juga. Tristan, terima kasih banyak sayang.
Ya.
Hebat banget tadi mainnya ya. Terima kasih. Mudah-mudahan nanti sukses terus dan harus berlatih terus ya Tristan ya. Bung Toel juga terima kasih banyak.
Sama-sama.
Kehormatan besar ya untuk bisa berbincang dengan Pep Guardiola.
Betul sekali. Tidak pernah berpikir, tidak pernah bermimpi sekalipun.
Baik, dan tentunya kita akan nantikan di final nanti seperti apa. Karena Pep Guardiola juga akan menyampaikan bagaimana lebih banyak lagi membicarakan tentang final Piala Eropa antara Spanyol melawan Italia yang akan ditampilkan menjelang laga final Spanyol melawan Italia pada saat Senin dini hari ya? Senin dini hari.
Minggu tengah malam.
Minggu tengah malam kita akan melihat siapakah yang akan menjadi juara Piala Eropa dan apakah Spanyol bisa berhasil mencetak sejarah dan menorehkan sejarah dan menjadi pemenang Piala Eropa 2 kali berturut-turut. Dan demikian kami akhiri Sportakuler edisi spesial Pep Guardiola. Saya Isyana Bagusoka undur diri. Terima kasih dan sampai jumpa. Salam olahraga. Gracias, muchas gracias.